In today's digital age, online marketing has become a crucial aspect of any business strategy. However, many businesses find themselves pouring money into online marketing campaigns without seeing the desired results. If you are one of those businesses, fret not. In this article, we will explore 3 key performance indicators, KPIs, that can save you thousands and ensure your online marketing efforts are effective. Conversion rate. Turning visitors into customers. The first KPI that every business should closely monitor is their conversion rate. The conversion rate measures the percentage of website visitors who take a desired action, such as making a purchase or filling out a contact form. A low conversion rate indicates that your website may not be effectively engaging visitors or persuading them to take action. To improve your conversion rate, start by analyzing your website's user experience, UX. Is it easy for visitors to navigate through your site and find what they're looking for? Are there any barriers preventing them from completing the desired action? Conducting user testing and implementing changes based on feedback can significantly enhance UX and ultimately boost conversions. Furthermore, consider optimizing your landing pages specifically for conversions. Ensure that the content is compelling and persuasive while highlighting the value proposition of your products or services. Incorporate clear call-to-action buttons with enticing language to encourage users to take immediate action. Customer acquisition cost. Maximizing ROI. While attracting new customers is essential for growth, it's equally important to measure how much each customer acquisition costs you. This metric helps determine whether your online marketing efforts are efficient in terms of return on investment, ROI. To calculate customer acquisition cost, CAC, divide all costs associated with acquiring customers, such as advertising expenses, by the number of new customers acquired within a specific time frame. For example, CAC equals total marketing costs, number of new customers. By monitoring your CAC, you can identify areas where you might be overspending or not utilizing your marketing budget effectively. If your CAC is higher than the average revenue generated per customer, it's time to reevaluate your marketing strategy. To reduce customer acquisition costs, consider focusing on targeted advertising campaigns. Instead of casting a wide net and hoping for the best, narrow down your audience based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. This approach allows you to reach potential customers who are more likely to convert at a lower cost. Additionally, invest in organic search engine optimization, SEO, strategies to improve your website's visibility in search engine results. By ranking higher organically, you can attract more qualified traffic without relying solely on paid advertising. Customer lifetime value. Cultivating loyalty. While acquiring new customers is important for business growth, retaining existing ones is equally crucial. The third KPI that can save you thousands is customer lifetime value, CLV. CLV measures the total revenue a customer generates throughout their entire relationship with your business. Understanding CLV enables businesses to allocate resources effectively and prioritize efforts towards maximizing long-term profitability rather than focusing solely on short-term gains. To calculate CLV, CLV equals average purchase value x purchase frequency x average customer lifespan. Increasing CLV involves nurturing strong relationships with existing customers by providing exceptional products or services and ensuring their satisfaction through excellent customer service. Implementing loyalty programs or personalized email campaigns that offer exclusive discounts or rewards can also encourage repeat purchases and foster brand loyalty. By prioritizing these 3 key performance indicators, conversion rate, customer acquisition cost, and customer lifetime value, businesses can optimize their online marketing efforts while saving thousands in wasted expenses. Conclusion. In today's competitive digital landscape, it's crucial for businesses to ensure they are getting the most out of their online marketing investments. By closely monitoring conversion rates and making improvements based on user experience, businesses can increase their chances of turning website visitors into customers. Calculating customer acquisition costs and focusing on targeted advertising campaigns can help optimize marketing budgets and maximize ROI. Finally, understanding customer lifetime value allows businesses to cultivate loyalty and prioritize efforts towards long-term profitability. By paying attention to these 3 KPIs, you can save thousands in wasted online marketing expenses while driving meaningful results for your business.